Hello and welcome to another podcast from the Virtual Language School. "10 Idioms" by Emily and Daniel, CELTA-qualified native English teachers, former Cambridge examiners and founders of the VLS. Today we're diving into 10 popular idioms that might sound a bit strange at first, but once you know what they mean, you'll love using them. An idiom is a phrase or expression whose meaning is different from the literal meaning of the individual words. Number 1. When pigs fly. When pigs fly means something will never happen or is completely unrealistic. It's a humorous way to say that something is impossible. Imagine your lazy friend suddenly claims he's going to run a marathon. You might laugh and say,
"Sure you will, when pigs fly."
Here's another example.
Do you think Tom will finally clean his room without being asked?
Yeah, sure, when pigs fly.
Number 2. To kick the bucket. If you hear someone say someone has kicked the bucket, brace yourself. It means someone died. Yeah, not the cheeriest idiom, but it's the most widely used euphemism for death in English. Here is an example.
I'm sorry to tell you, but he kicked the bucket.
Number 3. To spill the beans. To spill the beans means to reveal a secret, sometimes by accident. Imagine a surprise party and someone blurts out,
Can't wait for the cake tomorrow.
What did you say?
Oops.
Number 4. To let the cat out of the bag. This means to reveal something that was supposed to be kept a secret. It's a little bit like spill the beans. Here is an example.
She's pregnant.
I'm sorry, what?
Oops.
Number 5. To bite the bullet. This one's about courage. To bite the bullet means to face something painful or unpleasant because it just has to be done. For example, I hate going to the dentist, but I've got to bite the bullet and book that appointment. Number 6. To cost an arm and a leg. Let's say you see a watch you like, but it's $10,000. That's when you'd say, I want that watch, but it costs an arm and a leg. Number 7. Another gruesome one. If you've ever seen someone panic and rush back and forth without actually getting anything done, you've probably seen someone running around like a headless chicken. It comes from what actually happens when a chicken is beheaded. For a few seconds, the body can still move around seemingly alive, but totally out of control. Here's an example. I had so much to do before the event started, I was running around like a headless chicken. Number 8. Now, if someone else is running around like a headless chicken and you don't want to get involved, you could say, not my circus, not my monkeys. This means, this isn't my problem. I'm staying out of it. Number 9. To feel like a fish out of water is to feel uncomfortable or out of place in a situation. Have you ever felt completely out of place? Like you didn't belong? You're uncomfortable, maybe confused, definitely not in your natural habitat. An example? At that fancy dinner party, I felt like a fish out of water. And finally, number 10. To paint the town red. After finishing my last exam, I grabbed my friends and we went out to paint the town red. It's the kind of phrase you pull out when you're done with the stress and ready to celebrate. It means to go out and have a wild, exciting night. Time for a progress check. Number a sheet from 1 to 10. Choose one answer from A to D for each question. Pause the video if needed to give yourself more time. Check your answers with the answer key at the end of the test. Good luck. That's it for today. Bye.